Defy. To refuse to obey someone or something, or to go against rules or expectations. He defied to eat fresh food his mum and went outside. Exodus. A large number of people leaving a place at the same time. There was a mass exodus people from the town after the fire. Fasten. To close, tie, or lock something so it stays in place. He quickly fastened his seatbelt. Jolt. To suddenly shake or move someone or something. Or to shock or surprise someone suddenly. The earthquake is jolting the building. Jolt. A sudden strong movement or shock, or a sudden surprise. I felt a jolt with lightning strikes. Mimic. To copy the way someone speaks, moves, or behaves, usually to be funny or to mock them. He is mimicking the dance from the song. Perish. To die or to be destroyed, especially in a sudden, violent, or untimely way. The people perished many trees in the forest. Pester. To keep asking someone again and again about something, in a way that annoys them. He always pesters her on the road. Reckon. To think, believe, or guess something. It is mostly used in informal English. I reckon that she's about 65. Stammer. To speak with pauses or repeated sounds because you are nervous, scared, or have a speech problem. I stammer when I am nervous. Thrash. To defeat someone badly in a game or fight. I thrashed him in the chess last night. Thrash. To beat or hit someone or something hard and repeatedly. He thrashed the drum at the party. Wither. To dry up, shrink, or become weak and die, especially for plants. The plant withered because I didn't water it.